Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser. If you really want to get rid of Ask Gemini AI from the top of your browser in Chrome right here, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to disable this Ask Gemini AI in your Chrome browser on PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Chrome browser, then come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to AI in Chrome. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Chrome Gemini. The next thing you want to do right here, show Gemini at the top of the browser. It is always by default by Chrome. However, you can decide to disable it. For that, simply click on this toggle button right here and boom. Once you turn it off, there is nowhere. Once you turn it off, the Ask Gemini is going to disappear from your Chrome browser. If you click on the plus sign to create a new tab, you see that it's no longer found right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gemini settings like this in Chrome, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.